All right, week 5. Let's look at the instructions for the week. This week we're going to be finishing up our module on wealth inequality as well as social programs. Last week we looked at universal basic income, and this week we're going to touch on Social Security, kind of the grandfather of all social programs in the United States. So this week, make sure we're still logging into Schoology each day and complete the attendance requirement. We will have our face-to-face meeting on Wednesday, so that'll be during our normal class time of 10:15 to 11 a.m. I'll give you the link for that video conference. The content videos and articles this week have to do with Social Security, so they will be in your green folder here. So here's your week. So readings, notes, and contents videos. This What is Social Security video from Khan Academy kind of explains what Social Security is and how it works. And this will be the reading assignment, or reading for assignment number 1, what is Social Security? And this is the reading for assignment number 2, will it be there for me? So those are your content for this week. You may have another short video that shows up later today, but for the most part, I think those 3 will be able to get you through your 2 assignments that you have. So you've got 2 assignments this week. Assignment number 1, what is Social Security? This is due Wednesday. And then assignment 2, what will Social Security be there for me? So these are going to kind of explain what Social Security is, how it works, and also some of the other ways and who qualifies for Social Security benefits. And on Thursday this week, we will have a short assessment on wealth inequality and social programs. So this will be over largely last week and this week. So on universal basic income and on Social Security. So that will take on Thursday. Reminder, we got a short week, no school Friday this week, and also following Monday. So you'll have a 4-day weekend. So kind of a short week this week. So let me know if you have any questions, but that's the plan for the week.